हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। ये वीडियो सभी फार्मासिस्ट एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाली है, तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखें। और इसके जो 10 क्वेश्चन है वो हम इससे पहले वाली वीडियो में डिस्कस कर लिए हैं। ठीक है, लाइव क्लास ली थी, उसमें 10 क्वेश्चन डिस्कस कर लिए थे, तो आप जाके वो देख सकते हैं। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं हम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11। पल्मोनरी एम्बोलिसिस इज कॉज्ड बाय ऑप्शन ए ब्लड क्लॉट इन द लंग blood vessel, option B infection of the heart, option C increase in blood pressure, option D constriction of the respiratory system। सही आंसर क्या होगा इसका? ऑप्शन ए। Pulmonary embolism P is usually caused by a blood clot that break loose from a deep veins in the lungs or pelvis and travel to the lungs, blocking an artery. This condition is called deep vein thrombosis। Next question. Renin is secreted by which organ? Option A liver, option B kidney, option C lungs, option D heart। सही आंसर क्या होगा इसका? ऑप्शन बी किडनी। The kidney are the organ that secrete renin, an enzyme that play a key role in the renin angiotensin aldosterone system, RAS system। Next question. What causes ischemia? Option A insufficient blood flow, option B high blood pressure, option C high sugar level, option D nerve damage। इस्कीमिया का क्या कारण होता है? सही आंसर क्या होगा इसका? ऑप्शन A insufficient blood flow। Ischemia is a condition that occurs when blood flow to an organ or tissue is inadequate due to blockage in the blood vessel। Ischemia can be caused by number of factors like blood clot or atherosclerosis, coronary artery spasms, low blood pressure, tobacco use, diabetes, obesity। Next question. Cardiovascular endurance refers to option A stamina of the nervous system, option B strength of the digestive system, option C stamina of heart and blood vessel, option D stamina of the respiratory system। कार्डियोवास्कुलर endurance refers to, सही आंसर क्या होगा इसका? ऑप्शन C stamina of heart and blood vessel। Cardiovascular endurance, also known as the aerobic fitness or cardiorespiratory endurance, is the ability of your heart and lungs to supply oxygen, nutrients to your muscles during physical activity. It is measured to how well you can exercise can medium at high intensity for a prolonged period of the time। Next question. What is the main causes of primary hypertension? Option A high blood sugar level, option B genetic mutation, option C infection, option D no known causes। हाइपरटेंशन का मुख्य कारण क्या है? सही आंसर होगा इसका? ऑप्शन डी नो नोन कॉजेज। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the main source of triglycerides? Option A fats and oils, option B protein, option C carbohydrates, option D vitamins। सही आंसर होगा इसका? ऑप्शन ए फैट एंड ऑयल्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the main function of a pacemaker? Option A lower blood pressure, option B regulate heart rhythm, option C increase blood flow, option D increase oxygen level। पेसमेकर का मुख्य कार्य क्या है? सही आंसर होगा इसका? ऑप्शन बी रेगुलेट हार्ट रिदम। Pacemaker main purpose is to help a person heartbeat and normal heart rate and rhythm. Correct slow heart rate, prevent heart to treat fast or irregular heartbeat, help heart chamber beat in synchronized. Next question. Why are beta blocker commonly used in heart disease? Option A to reduce heart rate, option B to improve digestive, option C to increase blood sugar, option D to increase oxygen level. Why beta blocker commonly used in heart disease? Because they can reduce heart rate and blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the high risk of arrhythmia, decrease oxygen demand, and relieve ischemia, chest pain. Some common beta blocker includes atenolol or metoprolol, bisoprolol or proprolol. Beta blocker are prescribed only prescription. Next question. What is the function of heart valves? Option A to regulate blood temperature, option B to maintain one-way blood flow, option C to increase oxygen in blood, option D to strengthen the nerve system. What is the main function of heart valves? Right answer is option B to maintain one-way blood flow. Next question. Coronary artery bypass grafting is used for option A blocking arteries, option B bypassing blocked arteries, option C improving heart electrical system, option D replacing heart valves. सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन बी bypassing blocking arteries. Coronary artery bypassing grafting is used for bypassing blocking arteries. ऑप्शन बी इसमें सही हो जाएगा. Next question. Inotropic agents are used for option A increasing heart pumping strength, option B improving respiration, option C lowering blood pressure, option D straightening the digestive system. Inotropic agents are used for increasing the heart pumping strength. Inotropic drugs are used to treat heart conditions, shock, cardiogenic shock, and slow heart rate, high blood pressure, chest pain, and congestive heart failure, systolic heart failure. Next question. What is bradycardia? Option A slow heart rate, option B fast heart rate, option C irregular heartbeat, option D normal blood pressure. ब्रेडिकार्डिया किसे कहते हैं? सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन ए स्लो हार्ट रेट. ट्रैकिकार्डिया किसे कहते हैं कमेंट में बताएं. ब्रेडिकार्डिया इज कंडीशन वेयर द हार्ट बीट स्लोअर देन नॉर्मल, यूजुअली लेस देन 60 बीट्स पर मिनट. लेस देन 60 बीट्स पर मिनट. अगर डेफिनेशन पूछे ब्रेडिकार्डिया एन अबनॉर्मल हार्ट रिदम वेयर द हार्ट बीट स्लोअर देन द नॉर्मल. ओके, नॉर्मल जो रेस्टिंग हार्ट रेट की होती है वो होती है 16 बीट्स पर मिनट से लेके 100 बीट्स पर मिनट तक. अगर ब्रेडिकार्डिया कंडीशन हो जाती है तो लेस देन 16 बीट्स पर मिनट हो जाती है. और ट्रैकिकार्डिया में क्या हो जाता है ये हमें कमेंट करके बताएं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ पल्मोनरी सर्कुलेशन? ऑप्शन ए lowering blood pressure, option B increasing sugar in blood, option C straightening bones, option D transporting deoxygenated blood to the lungs. What is the function of pulmonary circulation? So answer होगा option D transporting deoxygenated blood to the lungs. The pulmonary circulation system primary function is to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide in the lungs. Oxygenated blood, deoxygenated blood from the body is carried to the lungs via the pulmonary arteries where it releases carbon dioxide and picks up the oxygen. and elimination of carbon dioxide, the blood then returns to the heart via the pulmonary veins, where it is pumped out to the rest of the body. Other function of the pulmonary circulation include maintain lungs fluid balance. Next question. Which element is deficient in hypocalcemia? Option A सोडियम, ऑप्शन बी कैल्शियम, ऑप्शन सी पोटेशियम, ऑप्शन डी मैग्नीशियम। हाइपरकैलेस्मिया में किस तत्व की कमी होती है? सही आंसर क्या होगा इसका? ऑप्शन सी पोटेशियम। हाइपोकैलेस्मिया इज व्हेन द पोटेशियम लेवल इन योर ब्लड आर टू लो, एंड एक होता है हाइपरकैलेमिया, ठीक है, जहाँ पर जो पोटेशियम होता है वो ज़्यादा हो जाता है, और एक होता है हाइपोकैलेमिया। हाइपोकैलेमिया में जो पोटेशियम का लेवल है वो कम हो जाता है और हाइपर में ज़्यादा हो जाता है। इट इज़ नॉट ए कॉमन कंडीशन फाउंड इन द मोस्ट पीपल बट इज़ वेरी कॉमन इन हैविंग किडनी डिजीज और किडनी फेलियर पेशेंट्स। दोनों ही कंडीशन में पोटेशियम का जो लेवल है वो अब नॉर्मल होता है, एक होता है हाइपरकैलेमिया और एक होता है हाइपोकैलेमिया। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Which organ is primarily affected by atherosclerosis? Option A liver, option B arteries, option C lungs, option D brains। एथेरोस्क्लेरोसिस किस अंग को प्रभावित करता है? सही आंसर क्या होगा उसका? ऑप्शन बी arteries। Atherosclerosis can affect almost any artery in the body, including those in the heart, brain, arms, legs, kidney. The organ primarily affected depend on which arteries are affected: coronary artery disease and peripheral artery disease, carotid artery disease, renal artery disease। Next question. Echocardiography is used for option A testing the structure and function of the heart, option B measuring blood sugar level, option C viewing bone structure, option D examining the respiratory system। इकोकार्डियोग्राफी किसके लिए उपयोग की जाती है? आंसर क्या होगा इसका? ऑप्शन ए टेस्टिंग द स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन ऑफ द हार्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। Where are red blood cells primarily produced? Option A liver, option B bone marrow, option C kidney, option D spleen। सही आंसर होगा इसका? ऑप्शन बी बोन मैरो। Red blood cells primarily produced in the bone marrow, and shape of red blood cell is biconvex shape, okay, which increase their surface area of oxygen diffusion. They also have no nucleus which allow them to change shape and fit through the blood vessels। लाइफ स्पैन की बात करें तो 120 days अराउंड। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ न्यूरॉन? ऑप्शन ए कंट्रोल ब्लड शुगर, ऑप्शन बी ट्रांसमिट इंफॉर्मेशन, ऑप्शन सी ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑक्सीजन, ऑप्शन डी फाइट इन्फेक्शन। न्यूरॉन का मुख्य कार्य क्या है? सही आंसर होगा इसका? ऑप्शन बी ट्रांसमिट इंफॉर्मेशन। The main function of neuron is to transmit information throughout the body by sending and receiving electrical and chemical signals। Next question. Where does the digestive of carbohydrate begin? Option A stomach, option B small intestine, option C mouth, option D large intestine। कार्बोहाइड्रेट का पाचन कहाँ से शुरू होता है? आंसर क्या होगा? ऑप्शन सी माउथ। एंड द प्रोटीन का जो डाइजेशन है वो कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? स्टमक से, ठीक है, और फैट का स्टमक से, बट द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द फैट डाइजेशन टेक प्लेस इन द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। स्टार्ट स्टमक से होता है बट मेजॉरिटी अगर पूछे फैट डाइजेशन की तो स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन ऑप्शन में, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी फंक्शन ऑफ द एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम? ऑप्शन ए प्रोड्यूस हार्मोन, ऑप्शन बी प्योरीफाई ब्लड, ऑप्शन सी सप्लाई ऑक्सीजन टू सेल, ऑप्शन डी स्ट्रेट देन मसल्स। एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम का मुख्य कार्य क्या है? सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन ए प्रोड्यूस हार्मोन। The primary function of the endocrine system is to produce and release hormone into the bloodstream to control and coordinate many important functions in the body: metabolism, growth and development, reproduction, hemostasis, mood, sleep wake cycle, and response to stress. The endocrine system includes glands and organs such as the hypothalamus, pineal glands, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, and adrenal gland, and pancreas. The endocrine system works with the nervous system and immune system to help the body cope with different events and stress. The primary functions of the endocrine system and exocrine system are release substance into the body, but in different ways. The endocrine system release hormone directly into the bloodstream, which then deliver them to the target tissue. The endocrine system influence many functions including metabolism, growth. Okay, and exocrine system release substances into ducts, which carry them onto the surface to target tissue. For example, exocrine pancreas secreted enzymes and break down the substance like carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acids. Next question, where is the adrenal gland located? Option A above the heart, option B above the kidney, option C near the brain, option D near the lungs. Correct answer is option B above the kidney. Next question, what is the primary function of the liver? Option A increase oxygen in blood, option B produce bile, option C transport glucose, option D कंट्रोल दी सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम। लीवर का मुख्य कार्य क्या है? सही आंसर होगा इसका ऑप्शन बी प्रोड्यूस बाइल, और स्टोर कहाँ होता है? गॉल ब्लैडर में। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ डायफ्राम? प्योरीफाई ब्लड, ऑप्शन बी एड इन द डाइजेशन, ऑप्शन सी असिस्ट इन ब्रीथिंग, ऑप्शन डी कंट्रोल बॉडी टेम्परेचर। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन C assist in breathing. The diaphragm is a primary muscle used to breathing, inhalation and exhalation. Next question, what is the primary role of neurotransmitter? Option A produce hormone, option B transmit signal between neurons, option C control blood sugar, option D control respiration. What is the primary role of neurotransmitter? सही आंसर क्या होगा इसका? ऑप्शन बी transmit signals between neurons. Primary function of neurotransmitter is to transmit signals messengers between nerve cells and target cell. These signals help regulate many body functions such as heart rate, thoughts, emotion, memories, movements, and sleep pattern. Next question, where is myoglobin found? Option A in the skin, option B in the muscles, option C in the bone, option D in the lymphatic system. Where is the myoglobin found? Correct answer is option B in the muscles. Myoglobin is a protein found in the heart and skeletal muscles of the body. Myoglobin is a protein found in the heart and skeletal muscles of the body. Myoglobin main function is to supply oxygen to muscle cells, or known as myocytosis. All the cells in the body require oxygen to function. Next question, What is the main function of hemoglobin? Option A, control respiration. Option B, transport oxygen. Option C, transmit nerve signals. Option D, secrete hormones. Correct answer is option B, transport oxygen. Main function of hemoglobin is transport oxygen from the lungs to the body tissue and carry carbon dioxide back to the lungs. Next question. What is the function of lymph nodes? Option A, control blood pressure. Option B, spread nerve signal. Option C, protect against infection. Option D, control digestion. Correct answer is option C, protect against infection. Main function of the lymph node, protect against the infection. Where is the hormone insulin produced? Option A, liver. Option B, brain. Option C, kidney. Option D, pancreas. Correct answer is option D, pancreas. Insulin is produced by the beta cells in the islets of the Langerhans, which are specialized area within the pancreas. Next question. What is the primary function of the cell membrane? Option A, energy production. Option B, protect the cell. Option C, transmit nerve signal. Option D, transport oxygen. Primary function of the cell membrane. Primary function of the cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, is to protect the cell and regulate what enter and leave the cell. Correct answer the option B, protect the cell. Cell membrane also known as the plasma membrane. Next question. What is the primary function of plasma? Option A, aid in the digestion. Option B, hormone production. Option C, transport nutrients. Option D, control respiration. Correct answer is option C, transport nutrition. Next question. What is the SA node? Option A, respiratory center. Option B, sources of hormones. Option C, heart natural pacemaker. Option D, blood pressure regulator. Correct answer is option C, heart natural pacemaker. SA node is heart natural pacemaker. ऑप्शन सी इसमें करेक्ट हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is primary function of the kidney? Option A, absorb nutrients. Option B, filter waste. Option C, send nerve signal. Option D, produce hormones. Correct answer is option B, filter waste. The primary function of kidney is to filter the blood and produce urine. Next question. What is the main function of the spleen? Spleen main function are filtering blood, storing blood cells, producing white blood cells, and controlling blood cell levels and iron metabolism. The spleen located in the upper left abdomen, under the ribs and above the stomach. It is a part of body lymphatic system which made of the organ and tissue that help protect the body from the disease and infection. Correct answer is fight infection in the blood. Next question. What is the primary function of thyroid hormone? Option A, regulate body temperature. Option B, increase glucose in blood. Option C, regulate metabolism. Option D, promote respiration. Correct answer is option C, regulate metabolism. Where is calcium primarily stored? Option A, liver. Option B, bones. Option C, kidney. Option D, muscles. Correct answer is option B, bones. Next question. Which organ is erythropoietin produced? Option A, liver. Option B, lungs. Option C, kidney. Option D, brains. Correct answer is option C. Kidney. Next question. What percentage of whole blood is plasma? Option A 45%, option B 55%, option C 65%, option D 75%. Correct answer is option B 55%. What is the largest organ in the body? Option A liver, option B skin, option C heart, option D brain. Correct answer is option B skin. Largest organ in the body is skin. Next question. What type of hormone is produced in the thyroid gland? Option A insulin, option B glucagon, option C thyroxine, option D adrenaline. Correct answer is option C thyroxine. Thyroxine T4, also known as T4. This is the main hormone released by the thyroid gland into the bloodstream, and the thyroid gland produces three hormones: thyroxine, T4 and T3, and calcitonin. Next question. What is the average heart rate per minute? Option A 40 to 60 times, option B 60 to 80 times, option C 80 to 100 times, option D 100 to 120 times. What is the average heart rate per minute? Correct answer is option B 60 to 80 times. Next question. What is the another name of the SA node? Option A pacemaker of the heart, option B blood pressure sensor, option C hormone gland, option D brain center. Correct answer is option A pacemaker of the heart. Question number 52. Microglia are associated with option A immune system, option B digestive system, option C respiratory system, option D nervous system. Correct answer is option D nervous system. Next question. What is the lifespan of a red blood cell? रेड ब्लड सेल का जीवनकाल कितना होता है? ऑप्शन ए 30 days, ऑप्शन बी 60 days, ऑप्शन सी 90 days, ऑप्शन डी 120 days. Correct answer is option D 120 days. What is the primary function of the parasympathetic nervous system? Option A stimulate the body, option B calm the body, option C straighten muscles, option D control blood sugar. Correct answer is option B. Next question. What is the function of the spleen? Option A remove unwanted particle from blood, option B secrete hormone, option C provide energy, option D transport oxygen. Correct answer is option A remove unwanted particle from blood. The spleen is an organ that performs several functions including filtering blood, controlling blood cell level, storing blood and iron. The spleen stores blood and iron for future uses, producing lymphocytes. The spleen produces lymphocytes which are white blood cells that help fight infection. Next question. Which is the largest part of the brain? Option A cerebellum, option B cerebellum, option C pons, option D medulla oblongata. Correct answer is option A cerebellum. The cerebellum is the largest part of the human brain. Location. The cerebellum is located at the front of the brain. Function. The cerebellum is responsible for the consequence thoughts and action including voluntary motor control, complex mental process and regulating temperature. Structure. The cerebellum is divided into the right and left hemisphere and is made up of gray matter and white matter. The cerebellum surface has fold and conventional and is called gray and valley called sulci. The brain has two main parts, cerebellum and brainstem. Next question. What is the outermost layer of the cells called? Option A cytoplasm, option B cell membrane, option C nucleus, option D mitochondria. Correct answer is option B cell membrane. The outermost layer of the cell is called the cell membrane or plasma membrane. Functions. The cell membrane separates the cell's interior from the outside environment. It regulates the movement of material entering and exiting the cell. Structure. The cell membrane is a semi-permeable lipid bilayer. Location. In animal cell, the cell membrane is the outermost layer. In plant cell, the cell membrane is located inside the cell wall. Next question. What is the main function of arteries? Option A. Carry oxygenated blood. Option B. Remove waste product. Option C. Produce hormone. Option D. Aid in respiration. What is the main function of arteries? Correct answer is option A. Carry oxygenated blood. Next question. What is the smallest functional unit of the nervous system? Option A neuron, option B brain, option C blood cells, option D muscles. Correct answer is option A neurons. Smallest functional unit of the nervous system is neurons. Neurons or nerve cells functions. Neurons receive and transmit signal to the different part of the body. They also generate electrical signal called action potential, which allow them to quickly transmit informations over long distance. Structure. Neurons are specialized cells that send out neurotransmitter to other neurons. Role. Neurons help the body communicate with other important systems. They also receive sensory input from the external environment. Next question. Hepatitis primarily affect which organ? Option A brain, option B liver, option C kidney, option D heart. Correct answer is option B liver. Hepatitis primarily affect the liver. Hepatitis, an inflammation of the liver that can be caused by the virus or other factor. Hepatitis can be acute or chronic. Viral hepatitis, an infection of the liver caused by a virus. There are at least 6 types of hepatitis, with the most common being A, B, C. Hepatitis A, hepatitis B and hepatitis C. Hepatitis A, an acute infection that is usually treated without medication. It can be transmitted through contaminated water and food or by direct contact with an infected person. Hepatitis B and C, blood-borne viral infection that can cause chronic infection and lead to chronic liver disease. Symptoms of hepatitis can include jaundice, yellowing of the skin and eyes, dark urine, fatigue, nausea, vomiting and abdominal pain. Next question. What is the function of the skeletal system? Option A. Provide structure and support of the body. Option B. Energy production. Option C. Digest food. Option D. Transmit nerve signal. What is the function of the skeletal system? Correct answer is option A. Provide structure and support to the body. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.